Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So I'm back with a new wig that I picked up from Ashimary, and if you guys are interested, I will leave all the information, links, and promos in the info section below. So go ahead and check it out. So before I get into the wig, I just wanted to show you guys everything that I received with it, and it was a lot. I was pleasantly surprised. However, let's go ahead and get into this wig. I have this brand new pre-cut, bleached, glueless, INVISI-STRAP 360 highlighted water wave lace wig. You guys can see this gorgeous color. It's kind of like a brown and blonde kind of mixed. You guys see the pre-cut lace. Look at all of that lace you get. It also has the INVISI-STRAP drawstring in the back, so if you're not one who knows how to glue down the back of your 360 wigs, this is where this wig comes into play, making life so much easier. It has the crystal clear drawstring straps that's super stretchable. It has the removable combs just in case you aren't one to wear the combs. This wig has a nice snug fit. It is completely glueless, though it is a 360, and I'm going to get into that later on. This wig is beginner friendly, and you can definitely achieve a nice, easy, natural looking updo style without any difficult work whatsoever. So this wig has the pre-plucked hairline. Here is a close-up of the back. You guys can see how undetectable the drawstrings are hidden underneath the hair. The drawstrings are very stretchable, so therefore you don't have to worry about it damaging your hair or being super uncomfortable. This is definitely a nice snug fitting wig. So my hair actually isn't braided down, I just have it in two little pigtails. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my stocking cap, and then I'm gonna apply a little bit of foundation just because the lace was a little too light for my liking. So I'm gonna apply that all over the lace just to where we can get a nice easy melt. You guys check out that before and after. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on. This wig literally took 2 seconds to install, and pretty much you're ready to go. I am going to add a few minor little customizations as I usually do, and I wanted to start off with some baby hairs. And I like doing baby hairs with blonde hair because it kind of gives you like that blonde peach fuzz effect, so it almost looked like you could be possibly growing this hair yourself. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay the baby hairs. I use a little bit of gel. I'm going to go ahead and get that laid down. Now this right here is what's going to make everything come together. You're going to notice that part pop. I like to go in with a black hair concealer stick and just apply it around the parting space just to make that pop. This is like my secret weapon when it comes to blonde hair. It just makes everything look a whole lot more natural. I'm then going to use a little bit of this foaming wrap mousse, and I'm going to apply it on top of the wig just to make everything look really nice and flat and realistic. Okay, you guys, so this is what this style is looking like. You guys saw how quickly it just came together, like literally no effort at all. I didn't wash this hair or anything. Like literally this is how I received this wig. You guys see how flowy it is, and check out the back. Like if you are a beginner, you will have absolutely no regrets getting this wig. It looks so realistic. It came together so quickly, and it didn't take much effort at all. I usually don't prefer 360s just because I can never get the back to look realistic. However, with this one, the way that it came together, and I really didn't have to do anything different with it, you guys, this is definitely a must-have. So I'm going to give you guys a couple of different styling options. Starting off with this first look, I just went ahead and threw it up in a medium to high bun, and you guys can see how it just pulls up, and I don't even have my hair braided down underneath, yet it still looks super realistic. So here is the second look. I just kind of wanted to pull out my little wispies. Y'all know I would not be me without them. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out my little wispies in the front, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this hairstyle into two little space buns. And this is what this style is looking like. I think it's so cute, and I just love the color. This color looks so good on melanated skin tones. Y'all have got to check out this wig. So once again, this wig does come from Ashimary. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. They do have their buy now, pay later option through Afterpay, Klarna, PayPal, and Sizzle. So be sure to take advantage of that, so therefore you don't have to splurge all at once. Definitely check out my discount code, which is AH20, to save 20% off of your purchases when you spend $119 or more. So you guys do check out this wig. I am just loving it with summertime right around the corner. This color is definitely going to work wonders on me. So you guys let me know what you guys think about this color, and definitely if you guys will be picking this one up yourself, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.